Good morning, students. Once again, we are here with the Political Science, Chapter 3 Democracy and Diversity of Class 10th. As we discussed in the previous video, that the democracy is a form of a government in which the representatives are elected by the common people, means the common people are having a right to elect their representatives. And we also talked about that the diversity we are finding on the basis of gender, religion and caste, and that diversity can only be accommodated at one with the feeling of united in a democratic form of a government, because the democracy gives the equality as well as the powers to be into the hands of common people. Today we will continue with the next topic, that is difference, similarities, divisions. People around us are male or female. They are tall and short, having different physical abilities and disabilities. Take example of Sri Lanka and Belgium. As we on the basis of gender we talked about that we can see the people around us, male or female, they physically also they are not same. Some are tall, some are short, and some have abilities, they have no physical disabilities, and some have disabilities. And here in the next point we took an example of Sri Lanka and Belgium, which we studied in the very first chapter of the power sharing, in which we saw that the Sri Lanka is having the majoritism, and because of majoritism they have given the powers into the hands of one community which belongs to the community of the Sri Lanka itself, that is Sinhala community. Because of that, the second group, which is divided into two parts, that is the Tamil speakers. Tamil speakers are divided into two parts, Sri Lankan Tamils and the Indian Tamils, which were not given that much power as the Sinhala community is having, which is the community of Sri Lanka itself. So there we saw the differences, the discrimination we saw it, that resulted into the rise of dissatisfaction among the people, which further resulted in the civil wars in their country. And on the other hand, we talked about the Belgium government, which is having the religious categories, but what they did is they have given the equality to even a minor group who are the German speakers, and there we saw that there, because of the equality which is given to all the communities, so there is more satisfaction among the people, which is helpful in running the government smooth. There are the Dutch speakers, German speakers and the French speakers, but even though the German speakers are very less in number, but the government of Belgium has given the equality to that minor group also. So as we know that here, I will take the example of our country also. As we know that in our country also we are giving the equality to all groups. We are not dividing them on the basis of their caste, religion or gender. So here we saw that the democratic form of a government, which is giving the equality to the people, give more satisfaction among the people. Because of this satisfaction, there no dissatisfaction arises, so the government runs smoothly. So most of the country in the world prefer to have democratic form of a government because of the equality which is given, because all the powers are there in the hands of common people, and that can be utilized or used by giving the voting rights to the common people. These voting rights gives the satisfaction as well as the self-belongingness, that the role play that they are playing to elect their representatives while getting the government to be elected, the members of the government. So we must know that we should always have the equality, and this equality brings more satisfaction. Do you think that we have the differences or similarities or divisions on the basis of their gender, religion and caste only? No. Some differences are based on our choices also. Means different peoples have different choices. It does not mean that the people belonging to the same category will have the same values and they have the same choice. They will choose the same thing as the different person in the different country, different areas. They are being categorized. If they are being categorized, but even though they have their own choices. Some people do not believe in God or any religion. Some people, those who are born in the same religion but their beliefs are different, even though they are belonging to a same group, same category, but they have different beliefs. Some are believing the God and some are not. Some are believing their religion, some are not. So it is totally the people's perception that they are going to act as a person of their choices. They will choose on their own. Some people choose to follow a religion other than the one is which is they born. Means some people choose to follow their religion other than the one in which they were born. As we have the beliefs of having the same religion in which we were born, means by birth, but some people have choices or they have to choice, they want to choose some other religion. So they should also have their differences because their choice is different. Means if suppose I was born in Hindu family and I want to opt for the Muslim community, then you think that I can't go with my choice to opt for the Muslim religion? Yes, of course, that is my choice. Means by choice it creates the differences, right? Because that is by my choice I can opt for any of the religion. For example, if suppose I am born in one religion, I want to go with the other religion, then I should have the right to opt for the religion of my choice. So that gives the equality to get the choice of the any of the religion. Most of us choose what to study, which occupation to take up. So it is not there that if I want to opt any of the job occupation, it does not mean I should go or opt with the occupation which is there or being occupied or being emphasized by the parents of my family. The choice, it depends on my choice. Most of the choose what to study. If whatever I want to study, that is again their differences, their own choices are being preferred to opt for any sort of the study, whatever they want to study, whatever the occupation they want to take up. All these led to the formation of social groups that are based on our choices. These all examples of choices in which we have seen that the religions can be chosen by my own choices. I can choose any study. I can go with the study, with the choice of my occupation, the choice of my job. These choices make the formation of social groups. Because these social groups are being formed, it does not mean that they are only the one particular religion believed people only work for that. These occupations have the multiple groups of religions based. Means एक किसी भी occupation के अंदर we can't say that only this particular group will work. It can be, it is, in fact, it is a choice of the people's perception. They will choose for their own. They have their own choices. These choices affects the formation of social groups. Next is that every social difference does not lead to the social division. If I am having any sort of differences, समाज में किसी भी प्रकार का अगर डिफरेंस है तो इट डज नॉट मीन कि वो हमारे बीच में डिवीजन ही करेगा. Differences can occur of any reason. It can be occurred because of any reason. My choices, my differences, my beliefs, my area, my aims can affect my choices. Everything that is whatever the aim, whatever the aspect, whatever the aims are there in my life that will affect my choices, and it does not mean these differences will affect the social divisions. People belonging to different social groups share differences and similarities cutting across the boundaries. Means people belonging to the same different social groups, if they are from the same social group, share differences. Even I told you that a person or the group of people who are from the same occupation, they are from the same social group, it does not mean that there are similarities, because they have, every person here is having their own choices and their own beliefs, even they belong to a particular group, so that will be affected. As we studied about the Mexico Olympic story, here we can see that the Carlos and Smith were similar in one way, that they were both the African Americans. But what about the Peter Norman? Yes, he was white, but their choices, because of their choices they come to a particular platform for one particular reason. So it does not mean that any sort of social differences will make their choices different. It can be same, right? So they were all athletes who stood against the racial discrimination. They all came together, even though they were the African Americans, and whereas the Norman was the white person from Australia, but they all are athletes, and they stood up against one particular thing, that was the racial discrimination which the African American, both the players from African American are facing. People belong to the same community or religion, but still they felt different. This is what I explained previous, that people are from the same community or religion, but still they felt different. Why? Because of their choices. एक कोई भी पर्सन अगर वो एक ही ग्रुप के हैं, इट डज़ नॉट मीन कि उनके बिलीव्स, उनके चॉइसेस भी सेम होंगे. आप घर में भी देखिए, इफ़ अ पर्सन, 2 ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स और 4 ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स आर देयर, आर दे हैविंग द सेम टेस्ट? आर दे हैविंग द सेम वैल्यूज़? आर दे हैविंग द सेम requirements? No, because of every individual is having their own choices, right? Rich and poor person from the same family often do not keep close relation with each other. The economic discrimination between the rich and the poor person also enhance the relationship among these particular groups, the peoples who are from these groups. So that resulted the difference among the rich and the poor. We all have more than one identity and can belong to more than one social group. Yes, this means by my choices, maybe I am from one particular group, one social group, but my identity My choices, my beliefs will make me to come into category of different groups, different social groups, different areas, different beliefs. This affects my choices also. मैं जो भी मैं चॉइस करूँगी, मैंने जो भी वो मेरी जो बिलीव्स होंगे वो मुझे तब तक इफ़ेक्ट करेंगे। ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं अगर किसी एक सोशल ग्रुप के अंदर हूँ तो या किसी एक रिलीजन की मानती हूँ तो इट डज़ नॉट मीन कि मैं दूसरे पे अपने चॉइसेस के साथ मेरे साथ और जो लोग हैं उनके और मेरे चॉइसेस मैच होंगे। कहीं ना कहीं वहाँ पर वी विल फाइंड द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बिटवीन द चॉइसेस एंड द बिलीव्स ऑफ द पीपल्स बिलोंगिंग टू द सेम ग्रुप। सेम ग्रुप में होते हुए भी हमारी चॉइसेस, हमारे बिलीव्स डिफ़र हो सकते हैं। दिस रिजल्ट्स इन द चॉइसेस फॉर the particular individuals of belonging to the same group are having different choices, right? By this we have finished the today's topic. Now I think that you might have understood. We will come with the next topic in the continuation of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.